nurse behind you. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to this Trick of Sick this week. Dave Palmer here. Hey, just giving you guys a shout out. There at Pete's Machine Shop, Brian Foster of MMA Max, Kevin Blumenthal, Cheetah Race Engine Development, Summit Racing, and each and everybody that subscribes to this channel, thank you very much. So we're slowly climbing the ranks, and as soon as we get enough where this channel is starting to pay, we'll start giving out bigger and better sponsorships. So please keep in mind also that we right now give away about $10,000 to $15,000 in sponsorships to other individuals, and then people here in-house, they get a little bit more. So we do sponsor a lot of people, and we're just wanting to diversify out and put our name and stuff on some more winning cars, some more guys that have some talent, and just help our fellow racers out. So across the board, basically from pro mods to bracket cars and drag racing, to dirt racing. We can go all the way from late model to mini stock. So we don't have any kind of particular part. Just anybody that races, we love racing. So I even did a full over here a while back. So, but anyways, to the show. This time we're going to show you guys how we repair. We had some damage on our car from the spooker, from our super stock car, our Monte Carlo. We're going to show you guys how we repair that, the easy way to do it, and basically the tools and the little tricks. So some of the tools that I got out there, they're a necessity. So you definitely need to have some of these or something kind of equal to it. You know, we had a previous episode where we had some auto shears that hooked onto an impact. Now I've been using the crap out of those, so we're going to be using those out here, but you could use hand shears, aviation shears. So some of this stuff you'll be able to get by with. Some of it you may say, man, I've heard of those, but I haven't seen them in action, you know. So a lot of this is just going to show us making the repair, show you how we do it. And in all honesty, the repair only took probably 2.5 hours. So, and that was replacing half of the, well, more than half, probably 3/4 of the front clip. And that's hand making over half of it. So it didn't take as long at all. But we'll show you what we did to, you know, streamline it and put the car back together. So, all right, stay tuned. Check it out. Thanks, guys.
Said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, to start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. Will surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not
Well, that didn't take too long. So, thank you guys for tuning in. This Trick is Sick. Now, we're going to have another episode here a little bit sooner. Like I said, we're trying to speed these back up. We got one a week or 2 a week. If you know, sometimes we got 2 episodes a week. Sometimes we got one. Sometimes we skip a week. So, here a while back, we did skip 3 or 4 weeks due to the holidays and due to me being sick. But now that we're back in action, we're trying to get it back down to one a week every week. So, and that's minimal. And there'll be several weeks where we'll hit 2, maybe 3. It just depends on what we're doing. Everybody keeps telling us that we need to be vlogging our races, and I didn't even know what vlogging is. So I guess that's just recording while you're out and about, and just the average race day, what's going on. So we may start some of that stuff too. So, and I hope you guys enjoyed the other videos with the old school racing. That was just some stuff I found on a file that was decade and a half old, and we just wanted to, some of the people, we got some very nice comments. People called me, said, man, that was cool. One of the videos got hit really hard. I guess they recognized some people that they knew and whatnot. So, but anyways, thank you guys again. Please tell your friends, tell everybody, subscribe. And we are building the motor for the young man that won the motor. We've almost got it done, so we're going to have him on soon. I think it's Dalton. Don't get mad if I got it wrong, but I'm just trying to think off, shooting it off the hip. So, but anyways, I will be in touch, and right now we're just trying to make sure that everything is really good. And please, everybody, stay tuned. We have a huge announcement coming up, and we have another free giveaway. I think we're going to have a transmission, turbo, supercharger, and 2 or 3 motors this year giveaways. So there's going to be quite a bit that we're going to try to help you guys out. Everything from LS to 502 big blocks, 572s, 496s, 427 rats, you name it. We're looking through our stockpile. I've got 300 or 400 engines, and we're trying to figure out what we can give away, what we're willing to give away, because some of them are kind of dear to some of our hearts, and they go to other hot rods we got. And we're just trying to figure out what we can do to help everybody. So anyways, thank you to all my sponsors. Thanks again. And I got to get that car wrapped. So thanks, guys. Later.